The 1965 Pontiac GTO is one of the most iconic muscle cars of the 1960s, and this particular example stands out for its stunning restoration, rare color, and a massive surprise lurking under the hood. Introduced in 1964, the Pontiac GTO quickly became a favorite among car enthusiasts, and by 1965, the car received several key updates that would make it even more popular. The GTO grew by 3.1 inches, adopted vertically stacked quad headlights, and a new dashboard, all of which contributed to its reputation as one of the most beautifully designed muscle cars of the era. While the 1965 to 1967 GTOs are often seen as the pinnacle of the GTO lineup, many of these classic cars are still around today and can be found at car shows or auctions, often beautifully restored to their former glory. However, a few examples stand out due to their unique features and rare options. This 1965 Pontiac GTO is one such example. At first glance, this GTO might seem to sport a custom finish, but what makes it even more remarkable is the fact that the light metallic pink color it wears, known as iris mist, was actually a factory color available across the Pontiac range for just one model year, 1965. It's a rare shade, much like Chevrolet's Evening Orchid, and isn't commonly seen in GTOs. While Pontiac didn't keep detailed records of paint color production, finding a GTO painted in iris mist is exceptionally rare. In fact, aside from the Tri-Power GTO that popped up for sale in early 2024, it's almost impossible to find another one in this eye-catching color. This GTO's authenticity is further confirmed by the original cowl tag and PHS documents, showing that it indeed left the factory in iris mist. The car underwent a frame-off restoration, and the color was carefully matched, ensuring the finish was perfect. The wheels, too, were painted in the same distinctive iris mist color. The restoration also involved rechroming much of the trim and replacing the emblems with the correct aftermarket pieces, resulting in a car that stays true to its original look. Inside, the GTO is equally impressive. The all-black interior has been fully restored, with reproduction upholstery, new door panels, a new Hurst shifter, and a refurbished dash pad. The factory options include the console, seat belts, deluxe steering wheel, and rally gauges, with the original radio still intact, adding a touch of nostalgia to the cabin. This interior doesn't just look good, it's a tribute to the craftsmanship that went into these muscle cars when they first rolled off the assembly line. But it's under the hood where this GTO truly stands out. While it may appear to have a standard 389 cubic inch engine, it's hiding some serious upgrades. The engine has been replaced with a massive 467 cubic inch mill built by Butler Performance, delivering an incredible 500 horsepower to the rear wheels. This far exceeds the output of the original Tri-Power engine, which produced just 360 horsepower. To boost performance even further, the engine is equipped with an Edelbrock intake, painted in Pontiac blue for a stock appearance, a dual-feed Holley carburetor, and HEI ignition, making this GTO one of the most potent muscle cars on the market. Another modern upgrade is the 5-speed manual transmission, which replaces the original 4-speed gearbox, allowing for more precise shifting and a smoother driving experience. The engine bay is clean and immaculate, showcasing the attention to detail that went into this restoration. For those who love unassuming sleepers, cars that look stock but pack a serious punch, this 1965 GTO is a perfect example. If you're interested in adding this incredible classic to your collection, it's currently available for $86,998 through Volo Cars. This price is about $25,000 higher than the average auction price for a well-maintained 1965 GTO, but given the rarity of the color and the powerful modifications under the hood, it's certainly worth every penny for enthusiasts looking for something truly special.